Okay, so this one is called my first HTML page. And so you create your first web page. Here's some, you're going to hand in an index, HTML, index, TXT, and a snippet of the web page. Alright, so I give you the code. So here's the code. So you just copy and paste this code into Notepad. Control-C to copy. Open up Notepad. You're going to make a new file here and paste. Alright, so you'll see that this says my first web page. That's the title, and it's going to be red, and it's going to have an image file called imagename.gif and two other image files called dog. So this is image source tags for images. So we're just going to save this one in a folder on your OneDrive. So make a new folder and call it First Web. Alright, and then we're going to save this as index. And by default, it'll save it as a TXT. And then we're going to save it again. And this time we're going to save it. Now, we make sure that the index file goes in First Web. And we also want to save this index file as .html. So, and make sure it goes right in here. Now, you notice that it says that there's some images here, okay? So we have to find a dog and a cat and put it in there. So what you'll do is you'll go on the internet and do a search for a dog, okay? And oops, and so we'll find images of dogs. So here's one that's cute. So what you're going to do is you're going to save the image, and you're going to go to the First Web folder, and you're going to save this as dog.jpg. Alright? And then you need to get a cat. So we go up here and search for a cat. And you don't want one that's too big. So right click here and we'll save this image as cat.jpg. Type in the JPG. And then we have to find a GIF. So we're going to look for a GIF, free GIF files, okay? And these are moving images, so you can do a funny one. So I'm going to open this one up and see how it moves around. And we're going to save this one as imagename.gif. You have to give it the exact same spelling as what's in the web page. And then we're going to go to Explorer and open up First Web folder. And you see we have 3 image files and we have the index page. So we're going to open up the index page, and there's our images. So now we're going to take a picture of this as well. So we'll go New Snip and click and drag. Oops. Do that again. We'll make a snippet of it. So we'll go New and click and drag over the web page. Well, you know what I mean. Do it one more time. It's tricky clicking and dragging. So you go New Snip and click and drag very slowly. Anyways, that's good enough. So we'll save that, and we'll just call this web 1. And then you're going to upload those files.